Home remedies to get thicker hair at home. Hair loss is a common problem nowadays. Modern lifestyle, exposure to pollution, and the use of chemical products deteriorate hair quality and lead to hair fall. As hair is regarded as an asset that enhances one's physical appearance, balding or thinning hair is a problem that many want to correct as soon as possible. Other common factors contributing to thinning hair are excessive physical or emotional stress, hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, allergies, use of wrong hair care products, poor hair care routine, and heredity. If you have thinning hair, there is no need to spend money on expensive treatments and products. Here we have 2 natural remedies to help you get thicker and voluminous hair. Aloe vera and castor oil. When you look out for effective remedies to have thick hair, try out this magical blend of aloe vera and castor oil. Both these ingredients store tons of benefits for dry hair. Aloe vera makes the dormant follicles active, enhancing hair growth. It contains a proteolytic enzyme, along with minerals like zinc and copper. Many fashion enthusiasts want to grow their hair thicker in a week or so. Using aloe vera and castor oil can give you a quick remedy. Particularly, the fatty acid and vitamin E content in castor oil promote fast hair growth. Besides, it coats the hair viscously, due to its density. How to apply? For the best results, you may apply castor oil just like coconut oil. You may also add castor oil 2 tablespoons to aloe vera gel 1 cup. For additional benefits, add fenugreek powder 1 spoon to this solution. Apply this mixture to the hair, massaging to the tips from the roots. You may apply it weekly and leave it overnight. Wash off your hair in the morning to get the desired texture. Avocado and coconut oil. Using avocado, along with coconut oil, can make your hair get thicker and longer. If you are looking for a secret to get thicker hair for men, you need to use this solution. Avocado contains antioxidants, minerals, and fat content. Besides, its anti-inflammatory features make it powerful enough for strengthening hair, moisturizing the follicles, and repairing hair. How to apply? You need to use avocado in oil form. Here, we present you with 2 ways to apply it on your hair. Apply a small amount of avocado on your scalp and massage it with your fingers gently. After a few minutes, use a shampoo, chemical-free, to wash it off. You may also massage your hair with warm coconut oil, working it from the roots to the tips. Turn the avocado into the paste and apply it only on the hair tips. Rinse it off after 30 minutes to get dense hair. Repeat it once a week for the best results. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.